In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube summary with ChatGPT to Chrome. By the end, you'll have a quick way to turn long videos, articles, and PDFs into clear summaries right from your browser. First, head to the official Chrome web store listing for the extension called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. Make sure you're on the real Chrome web store so you know you're getting the trusted version. On that page, click the button labeled Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small pop-up asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to continue. Your browser will download and install it in just a moment. This step simply grants the extension permission to display summaries and transcripts on pages you visit, like YouTube. Once it's installed, open a YouTube video. As the page loads, you'll usually see a panel on the right side labeled Transcript and Summary. This is where the extension lives on the video page. It's designed to blend in with YouTube's layout. So look to the right side of the player where related content typically appears. Inside that panel, click View AI Summary. The extension will generate a concise overview of the video using the AI model you choose, such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or other supported options. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your AI account so the extension can access your chosen model. Once connected, the summary will appear and you can skim key points without watching the entire video. This is especially useful for lectures, interviews, or long-form commentary where you want the main takeaways fast. Beyond summaries, the extension can also display the full transcript of a video when available. That's helpful for quoting exact lines, searching for topics within a video, or reading instead of listening. It also works beyond YouTube. You can use it to summarize PDFs and web articles, so your research and reading become much more efficient across the board. If you switch between different AI providers, you can select the one that suits your needs. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Mistral AI are all supported. Each model has its strengths, and having options helps you get a style of summary that fits your workflow. That's all you need to get started. Add the extension from the Chrome Web Store, open a YouTube video, look for the transcript and summary panel, and click View AI Summary. Enjoy quicker insights, cleaner notes, and more productive browsing with YouTube Summary with ChatGPT.